we're going to work on a dance called All Y'all Live to Y'all Live by Walker Hayes, his latest hit. He keeps pushing them out. So this is a fun kind of crossover song, and it's a pretty easy dance. I'd say it's improver level, okay? But I encourage all dancers to try it, even if you're a beginner. So it's a 4-wall, 32 count, clockwise rotation dance, but you got to make a couple turns before you get over to 3 o'clock. All right. So, and there is one restart. And it's pretty easy and early in the dance. You're going to start with your weight on your left foot and step to the right, touch, step left, touch, and then shuffle to the right. Step left, touch, right touch, and then shuffle a quarter turn. Step together, step is a shuffle. So step, touch, step, touch, step together, step, step, touch, step, touch, step together, quarter touch. So weight ends up back on that left foot and you're just touching with the right. Okay, the count on this is pretty quick. So we have lots of little and counts for this. It's your first set of 8. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So it's quick. Okay, let's add on. We are facing our 9 o'clock wall. Our weight should be on our left foot, and you're going to do a right mambo step. So that's just rocking forward on the right and stepping back and putting your weight on that right foot. Then you're going to step back with the left and do a little hip roll or hip shake, however you want to do it. The choreographer, Pistoia, and his wife Laura, Stephen just says, at your own moves, feel the music in this dance. So it's back hips, step back again with the right and hips, and then a left coaster step. So back on the left, back right, forward on the left. That's a coaster step. So let's try that again from the mambo step. So it's right mambo step, shake it back, left coaster step. All right, let's try it again with the counts. Okay, so it's mambo 1, 2, shake 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 with the coaster. All right, let's try putting the 2 first sections together from the top. So, ready, step, touch, shuffle to the side, step, touch, shuffle, quarter turn, right, mambo step back and shake, left coaster step. Wonderful. Let's hop the dance. All right, we're going to do a little vine to the right, and I'm going to have to make my steps small because I have limited space. Someday I'll get the studio redone. But anyhow, so you're going to step out with the right, behind left, out right, and cross. So it's just a little quick weave. Out, behind, out, cross. Then we're going to do a side rock cross or scissor step. So you're going to rock out to the side with your right, step together with the left, and cross your right over your left. That's a scissor. All right, again, it's side rock, together, cross. All right, so let's put that together. Actually, I'm going to show you facing the front. So it's out, behind, out, cross, side, together, cross. All right, then we're going to go the other way. Out, behind, out, cross, but it's not a scissor. It's going to be a left coaster step, making a quarter turn to your new wall. So I know you're getting nervous. It's not really that hard. This is probably the harder section of the dance, and then we just have one more easy section. So you're going to step back with the left, making that quarter turn, back, forward. All right, we'll do it again to the front, starting with that weave. Step out, behind, out, cross, scissor, cross, out, behind, out, little left coaster with a quarter, back, back, forward to the side wall. All right, but on our first wall, we're going to be facing 9 o'clock when we do this. All right, so weights on the left. So let's try it. Out, behind, out, cross, side, rock, cross, or scissor. Out, behind, out, cross, coaster, step. Guess what? You're back at the wall you started on. All right, so this is a good thing to remember. Whatever wall you're at, we started at wall 1. After you do this combination, you're going to be back facing the wall you started on. Okay, so let's try it one more time. Need a little extra practice with that. So, out, behind, out, cross, side, rock, cross, out, behind, out, cross, left coaster, quarter, turn. Weights back on the left foot. Okay, let's try it again with the counts. Ready? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and coaster, 7 and 8. Okay, maybe one more time with the counts. Okay, because this is quick. Start with your weight on your left, you're stepping out with your right. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Wonderful. Let's put it all together from the top. All right, so we start with those step touches. All right, so ready? Step, touch, shuffle to the right. Step, touch, shuffle, quarter, turn, left, right, mambo, step back and shake, left, coaster, step, out, behind, out, cross, scissor, cross, out, behind, out, cross, coaster, step. All right. Now, the end, the last set of 8. We're going to stomp right, stomp left. Everybody loves to stomp in these dances. Then heels in, toes in, heels in. All right, maybe not so close. All right, so right, left, heels, toes, heels. Come in. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, so the stomp part is slower. Then we're going to step, put our weight on the right and extend the left heel. He says you can do a little hip roll heel here if you want. I don't really, I just kind of step and extend my heel. And then with the right, you're going to make a quarter turn to 3 o'clock. Okay, so it's just step, heel with a quarter turn, weights back on this foot, and that's the end of the pattern. Okay, all right, so let's do that last set of 8 again. We're going to stomp, heel, toe, heel, step, heel. All right. So let's put it all together from the top. Ready, step, touch, shuffle to the right. Step, touch, shuffle to the left. Mambo, step back and shake, right, back and shake, left coaster, step, out, behind, out, cross, side, rock, cross, out, behind, out, cross, coaster, step, stomp, heel, toe, heel, step, quarter, heel. We're at 3 o'clock, wall 2. We are gonna step, touch, shuffle to the right. Step, touch, shuffle to the front. Right, mambo, step, back on the left and shake, back on the right and shake. Coaster, step, weave, out, behind, out, cross, side, rock, cross. Out, behind, out, cross, left, coaster, step. Stomp, heel, toe, heel. Step, heel, quarter turn. So now you should be facing away from me. You should be facing 6 o'clock at the back wall. All right, wall 3. Wall 3 is important, the third wall you get to, because we have a restart. So we are going to do our step, touch, shuffle to the right. Step, touch, shuffle, quarter quarter turn, touch. All right, the restart starts right here after the first 8 counts. Okay, so let's try the last 2 walls facing away from me and facing 9 o'clock. So if you're facing away from me, like you really should be, just listen to me, okay? It starts with those step touches to the right and left. Ready? Step, touch, shuffle to the right. Step, touch, shuffle, quarter turn. Right mambo, step, shake back on left, shake back on right. Left coaster, step, weave, out, behind, out, cross, side rock, cross, weave, out, behind, out, cross, left scissor, step, stomp, stomp, heel, toe, heel, step, extend the left heel, step, extend the right heel, quarter turn, step, touch, shuffle to the right, step, touch, shuffle, quarter turn to the back, mambo, step, shake back on the left, back on the right, left coaster, step, weave, out, behind, out, cross, side rock, cross, out, behind, out, cross, left coaster, step, stomp, stomp, heel, toe, heel, step, extend the heel, step, quarter, extend the heel. All right. That's pretty fast talking for me. Okay, here we go. Five, 6, 7, 8, step, touch, shuffle to the right, step, touch, shuffle, quarter left, mambo, step, shake it back on the left, back on the right, in coaster, weave, out, behind, out, cross, side rock, cross, out, behind, out, cross, coaster, back, front, heel, toe, heel, step, heel, or heel, step, touch, walk 2, shuffle to the front, mambo step, shake it back, coaster, weave, out, behind, out, cross, side rock, cross, out, behind, out, cross, coaster, step, stomp, stomp, heel, toe, heel, step, heel, quarter, heel, third wall, step, touch, shuffle, step, touch, quarter, restart, step, touch, shuffle, step, touch, shuffle to the front, mambo step, shake it to the back, coaster, weave, coaster, stomp, stomp, heel, toe, heel, step, heel, back, step, touch, shuffle, step, touch, shuffle, quarter turn, mambo step, coaster, weave, side rock cross, coaster to the back, stomp, stomp, heel, toe, heel, step, heel, quarter, heel, step, touch, shuffle to the back, mambo step, shake it back, left coaster, weave right, side rock, weave left,